guys, welcome to my channel. This is Claire with Destin Creativity. So I made a very simple outside table using Dollar Tree frames. It was so easy to make, so I just want to show you how I did it. Yeah, let's begin. For this project, I'll be using 4 frames. The dimensions are 12 inches by 9.5. And then I also cut out foam board of the same dimensions, and this will be covering the back of the frame. I used white contact paper to cover all the foam boards. I then dismantled this frame so I can separate the mirror. I'm going to be spray painting them separately. Now for the frame, I'll be painting it silver using this paint, and then for the glass, I'll be painting it using the glitter spray, and this will be only on one surface of this mirror. After drying, I reassembled the frame, and this is how it looks like. I also glued the board in the back. Now I'll be adding this mirror design on top. Now this mirror has glue in the back, and when it sits on, it won't come off. So I just needed to cut the edges so I make sure it fits right in the middle and I don't need to struggle with it. And I put it on once. You don't have to remove it after, it will not come off. The glue is too strong. I will not remove the covering yet because I don't want to be touching this mirror when I still have lots of work to do with the frame. So I also use E6000 to just add these small mirror designs. If this is your very first time here, I'm so glad to have you. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload. Thank you. And now working on the base, I got 2 foam boards. The dimensions are 11.5 by 14 inches. And I'll glue them together and then cover them with white contact paper. And then, so I will be drawing some rails on this board because this is where these frames will sit as I glue them. So without these, it will be hard to glue these frames onto this base because I'll be making a triangle with the frame. So this is really important. I did this for both ends of this base, and now I'll be gluing the frames using hot glue. For this center part, I'll be gluing with both the hot glue and E6000 because I need this bond to be really strong and not to fall apart. I then left this piece aside to dry for a while, so I cut out 2 foam boards and sealed them together. I'll be covering them with mirror reflective paper. This will make the top of my side table. So the dimensions are 18 by 12 inches. I drew rails as well and then glued the frames using hot glue just the same way. So I noticed my mirrors were not a little bit flat, so I just added a small foam board, and then I'll be using this small wood that I painted silver to just create a stronger base for me to add the other square. Now for stronger support, I cut out 2 foam boards together with cardboard. I covered them with white contact paper, and I'll glue these at the back of these frames so that the table is strong enough. The dimensions were 22 by 12.5 inches, but it really depends on how high your table will be, so you will measure approximately that. I used a generous amount of the glue to attach the 2 pieces together. The back foam boards really help to keep it in place. Now that it's all dry and intact, I'll just be putting a few designs. I used the mosaic mirage to cover the front and also the edges of the top. I wanted to leave this piece like this, but then I noticed the edges on top would show the boards, so I also covered them with the mosaic mirrors. And yeah, the table is done. I really love this simple table. You can put a big mirror on top, but mine, I just left it with this reflective paper. As you can see, you can put so much on this table. The back boards really help to hold it in place. So I hope you love this video. Please give me a like, share, and don't forget to subscribe as well. I have other videos as well in my description box. You can check them out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.